I took this amazing shot of these AirPods with just 2 Speedlights, and you'll know exactly how to do it in just a few easy steps.
What you'll need: Speedlight, scissors, white paper, headphones, black card and white tack. Cut the card to the required shape. Cut paper for reflector panel. Stick headphones to black card. For lighting, we're going to use a sheet of 5mm white acrylic, that's the semi-transparent version, and 2 Speedlights. For the photo, a 35mm camera with a macro lens.
Please click the like button if you're enjoying this video.
Window mask to reduce flare. Overhead reflector panel. Additional reflector panel for gloss highlight.
For thousands of other great photography tips, check out karltayloreducation.com. Now we're going to see the final 2 stages of this AirPod shoot for a great finished result.
Separate lighting for the speaker grills. Left-hand earphone.